Hello and welcome back. You're watching The Money Show and it's time to get your portfolio queries answered. And before we start connecting with our viewers, let's flash our WhatsApp number and email ID where you can send across your portfolio queries. Just give us all your investment details and our experts will help you align your investments with your financial goals. Let's move on. Samir Shah is the expert who has joined us with all your queries answers today. Samir, welcome back, and let's take Malay's question. Malay Pal, he says he's 37 years old and mutual fund portfolio value is around 18 lakhs. And he's doing SIP, Nippon India Large Cap, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, Bandhan Small Cap, Kotak Multi Cap, SBI Contra, Mira Asset Large and Mid Cap. Total SIP is 37,500 and 15 years time horizon. And he wants to know if the fund selection is good for him. Any changes that you might want to recommend?
So, Malaji, first of all, let's talk about your portfolio. There are a couple of good things about your portfolio. That first is your portfolio is very well diversified. You have one large cap fund, mid cap fund, flexi cap. So across all sector, all sector of fund, you have selected in your portfolio. That is really good. One thing which I would like to highlight here is the large cap dedicated large cap fund is there, but the allocation towards that is little low. So suggestion is that going forward, if you can increase your SIP amount for large cap dedicated large cap fund, then it would be really great. Second thing about your financial goal, which you have asked in 15 years, what corpus you will accumulate. So if you continue your investment for next 15 years, and if your portfolio generate around 12% CAGR return, then in next 15 years, your accumulated wealth would be around 2.95 CR. A small suggestion from our side is if you can increase your SIP by 5% or 10%, whatever is convenient to every year, then you will have a substantial impact on your portfolio. So that's all, and wishing you all the best for your investment journey. And I'm sure you will definitely overachieve your goals.
All right, all the best out there. Let's take Atamjit Singh's question. He says he's 49 years old and investment time horizon is 10 years. Portfolio value is 12 lakhs and target is 1 CR. He's been doing 10,000 SIP each in Kotak Large and Mid Cap, HDFC Mid Cap, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap and DSP Small Cap. And he wants you to check if the portfolio is aligned, the investments are aligned with his requirement of 1 CR.
So, Atmajit ji, we have first let's talk about your goal. You wanted to accumulate around 1 crore rupees in next 10 years time. With current SIP of 40,000 and the existing corpus accumulated corpus of 12 lakh, if we calculate 12% average return, then you'll be able to accumulate 1.32 CR in next 10 years time. But I'll suggest 1 crore goal which you have set for yourself. If you have considered the present value, then I would definitely suggest that if you can, while calculating your goal, you have to consider two things. First is inflation, and another is taxation part. If you have not calculated, then I would request that if you can increase your SIP by 10% every year, cost would be around 1.75 crore. Second thing, about your portfolio, you have diversified your portfolio across all 4 category of fund, but dedicated large cap, say looking at your age and the goal, I would recommend that gradually, you can reduce your exposure from small and mid cap fund and increase your portfolio, and add one dedicated large cap fund and divert your investment over a period of time. That will give you a proper stability in your portfolio, and it will help you to achieve your goal very comfortably.
All right. Next question is coming in from Kapil Kumar, and he's got Quant Small Cap, 5,000 rupees SIP going on, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap 3,000, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap 3,000, SBI Energy Opportunity Fund lump sum 2 lakhs he's invested, SBI Automotive Opportunity lump sum again 20,000. I'm sorry, he's been putting lump sum 20,000 in each, and target is 1.5 CR, and that's for 20 years, and current SIP is of 11,000 and a lump sum of 40,000. What's going to be the projected corpus? Okay, so that is what he's trying to ask you, the fund mix and whether he'll be able to achieve his particular goal.
Kapilji, with your current SIP of 11,000 and lump sum investment of 40,000, if we calculated 12% average return, then in next 20 years, your accumulated wealth would be 1.13 crore. So this would be like no slightly away from your target. So I would suggest like no to bridge this gap. Consider increasing your SIP by 6% every year. This will help you to comfortably achieve your target. That's the first question which you ask. And the second about your portfolio, the dedicated large cap fund is missing from your portfolio. Consider adding one for a stability and well balanced approach. Second thing, you like no as of now you currently hold two sectorial or thematic fund. Over a period of time, it is advisable to retain any one of them, and if you can if you can transfer this fund from sectorial or thematic fund to flexi cap, then it will give you a edge, and it will give you like no proper stability to your portfolio, and it reduce your risk. So Kapilji's suggestion is that if you can over a period of time, if you can move away from one sectorial fund and keep only one, and transfer this fund to flexi cap fund. Thank you so much.
All right. Also, do remember to keep stepping up your SIPs. Vivek Singh's question we will take, and he's investing in Kotak Multicap 2000, SBI Contra 2000, Nippon India Small Cap 5000, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap 3000, Kotak Mid Cap 3000, Axis Nifty Next 50 Index 2000. Total SIP amount is 17,200. He wants you to review the portfolio for 20 years, and 2 CR is what he wants to achieve, and he just started investing from November 2023.
Vivek, presently you are doing 17,200 rupees per month SIP, and you wish to increase your SIP 7% annually. So in next 20 years, your projected accumulated fund would be around 2.5 CR. I'm sure like no whatever target you have set, you are surpassing that target with the disciplined investment in SIP, and if you are increasing your SIP by 7% every year. Now, one thing which I would like to highlight here is like no your in your portfolio, you have to reduce your small cap exposure slightly after after 5 to 7 years, especially if you say you are in a growth stage. So once you will complete 5 years, then it is advisable to reduce your exposure from small cap and add one dedicated large cap fund or balance advantage fund after 5 years. This will give you this will give a stability to your portfolio, and during the market volatility phase, it will give you a proper balance. So this is what we suggest from our side.
That's all on the question answer session also. Samir, thank you so much for taking time out and helping our viewers with their financial portfolio queries. And for our viewers, keep sending us your question on our WhatsApp number and email ID. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.